Hi class and welcome to week 5. We only have a little over 1 week left in the course. You must have 30 hours of field experience completed by the end of this week or you will not pass the class. Please note the last day of this class is Friday, June 15th. All assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on that day, and no late work will be accepted for any reason. This week we will be learning about connecting with children, families, and the community. In addition to your weekly reading, you will participate in the Module 5 discussion, complete Part 4 of your course project, and submit your weekly field experience report. Please note that the Module 5 live classroom session will be this Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I hope all you guys can make it and attend the live session so we can have an active and engaging conversation. If you cannot participate in the live session, you will be able to view the recording of it and complete the live session quiz in order to receive credit. That's all for this week's announcements. As always, let me know if you have any questions